In today's video, I'll show you the best Raw Accel settings for COD. First things first, let's head over to the software program of our mouse model. Now, it is going to be okay if you don't have this software, but before we head over to Raw Accel, we just want to make sure that everything's set up. First things first, you want to use your DPI right here. So typically gamers want to use 800 or 1200 to 1600. You can just choose your preferred DPI. From there, head over to your polling rate and you want to make sure that you have chosen 1000 Hertz. Now from there, let's head over to Raw Accel, click on chart, head over to the scale by mouse setting, head over to DPI, and then you want to type your DPI right here. In my case, it's going to be 1600. The polling rate is going to be 1000. And lastly, you want to click on the rescale by above. In here, we want to get this specific graph, which is going to be smooth from below to above. To do this, you want to apply the following option. The sense multiplier 1, X and Y ratio is going to be 0 or 1 depending on your mouse. The rotation is going to be 0, and then you want to select the natural enhancement. In here, you also want to lock the X and Y, decay rate 0.1, input offset 19. Now you can add this from 15 to 20. You can just adjust depending on your liking. And lastly, for limit 1.5. Click on the apply button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.